Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing another nail art design. This one is fully stamped on, so I have used my stamping plates, my stamping polishes, and of course my stamper itself. I do get a lot of questions on what stamper exactly I use. Unfortunately, I am using one which is by Essence Cosmetics, and that one has been discontinued for a little while now. So yeah, sorry about that. It is not available anymore, but there are a lot of similar clear jelly-like stampers out there that you can definitely try out and see which one works best for you. But yeah, it is a very fall-like design. I actually applied a matte top coat as well, which is something that I rarely do because you guys know me, I love my glossy finishes, but sometimes I have to get out of my comfort zone, just step out of that box and do something that is not really something that I do a lot, which is a matte finish. But I really love the matte taco matte top coat by Holo Taco, which is actually pretty much called the matte taco, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, I used that one and it has such a really nice finish that I'm actually really starting to like matte finishes as well, especially using that top coat. But yeah, I'm just gonna quit rambling, and of course, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But for now, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching on forehand, and I hope to see you in my next video as well. So let's get into this tutorial, and of course, if you want to grab your nail supplies and paint your nails together with me, on forehand off camera I had already applied my base coat as well as 2 coats of the polish that I am using as a base color. As a base coat, I'm going in with the Base and Protect base coat by Trend It Up. I actually bought that one for like €1, €1.79 or something when I was in Germany a little while back, and I am going to use this beautiful Essie color Starstruck Accord. This one is number 810 or 810, and it is from the fall collection by Essie. If you're curious to see the other colors from that fall collection, definitely check out my swatch video because I actually did a video on all 6 of the new shades. Then I decided to grab some stamping polishes. This is actually a very light lilac-y purple as well as another like pinky purple kind of shade. Both of them are by Nicole Diary, and you can easily get those online at AliExpress or directly at their web store. They have a ton of different colors, and yeah, I just quickly showed you the stamper and scraper I'm using as well. Unfortunately, as I mentioned in the intro, the stamper isn't available anymore, but there are a ton of like others out there that you can definitely try out yourself. Then I was like, I'm going to use some different plates. In the end, I only used 2. Those 2 are by Nicole Diary as well. I actually got those at AliExpress, I'm sure of that. And before actually going in and using them, you want to make sure to remove the blue film that is on top of there. If you don't do so, the plate simply won't work. It is just a little layer of blue clear film to protect the images on there while like the plates are getting packed, wrapped up and shipped out. And also I am going to use a little piece of tape to actually clean off my stamper as well as any excess of stamping polish that might be still on the fingers. As you can see here, I have a little bit of that polish stamped upon the skin, like surrounding my nail towards the cuticle and so on, and I'm just going to remove that with a little piece of tape. It is super easy, super handy. But because my natural nails are quite long, one image wasn't big enough, so I'm just going to stamp some additional flowers on here in that same pink shade. I'm actually doing like a gradient stamp. As you can see here, I am using both colors for one specific design, at least for the design that I'm putting on my thumb as well as on the middle finger. I decided to just do 2 of the girl kind of like designs because I didn't want to really like overkill it with a ton of those. So I just focused on 2 nails for that specific design, or at least with like a girl on there. And of course, don't forget to clean off your plate afterwards or in between stamping, because you want to use a fresh, clean plate for every single image that you will be transferring. As you can see here, another gradient transfer from one of the girl kind of imprints. I really love these, and I really love that I actually use some lighter colors on top of a dark background, and it gives me total like hobo 70s fall girl vibes. I don't know, I just really like it. And at the end you will see when I will apply of course at the end the matte top coat as well, it just ties in the design so nicely. I think I actually like this design more with the matte top coat than with the glossy finish, but yeah, that's just going ahead a little bit too quickly. I'm just going to add some like watery, flowy kind of images to the other nails, just switching up the colors pretty much. I just decided to do the pinky kind of color on the pinky nail as well as the pointer finger, and the lilac-y purpley kind of color I just decided to do that on the ring finger to really tie in this design. And I really love how the flowy images mix so well with the girl images. I think it is really nice, and those are 2 separate image plates. So yeah, if you want to know which ones those are, I have already showed you in the like first part of the video, but if you would like some more information on them, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And after your images are fully dry, you want to go in with your first layer of top coat. I'm just going to use the No Smudge top coat by Nicole Diary as well. This one is the best top coat to prevent any smearing and smudging from your transferred images on your nail. It is so good. I love it so much. The thing is, stamping polishes are really pigmented and they just take a longer time to like be fully dry, and especially applying a top coat can be a bit of a hazard with smudging and dragging of the colors and so on. But this top coat by Nicole Diary is really good. Definitely check it out if you don't have a really good non-smudge top coat yet, because this one is like top notch, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that to all of the nails, making sure to cap off the edges as well. You don't want to have like any chipping or tip wear going on while you're just going on with your life and your daily business, you know, while wearing this manicure. So you just want to make sure that this one is fully dry before you're going in with your matte top coat, if of course you decide to add a matte top coat like I did. And for the matte top coat, as I mentioned in the intro part already, I'm going in by one by Holo Taco. This one is called the Matte Taco. This is definitely hands-on my favorite matte top coat that I have ever tried, and I have tried my fair share of different brands, formulas, and so on. Maybe it is that I have tried so many really bad ones, or just not really super like fully matte top coats, that I don't really like matte top coats as much, or matte finishes. But when it comes to this one, and ever since I have purchased this one and tried it, I have actually already purchased a backup, because this definitely is the best matte top coat that I have ever tried. It definitely is fully matte. The surface of the nails afterwards, after like everything is fully dry, just feels really smooth and soft and kind of like velvet like, if you know what I mean. It's just a really nice like soft touch whenever you actually touch your nails. It is not like kind of rough or something like that. I don't know, it's not like textured, which some matte top coats actually do. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. So if you ever get the chance to get your hands on one of these, just grab one bottle, try to grab 2 if you're really into matte top coats and matte finishes, because this one is just really good. And yeah, this was the entire new tutorial, design, nail art video, and so on. I really hope you liked it because I am pretty much in love with the entire like vibe, the flowiness of this design, and just the overall like look and feel to it. I really like it. And as I mentioned, I like the matte finish even more than the glossy one. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. And as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos as well.